Hey investors, Joe here, Joe's Investment Express. Let's talk about how to recover psychologically when you've blown up your account. Now, if you were trading just in the indexes, if you just were long the indexes in 2021, you did really well. But I suspect that if you're watching this video, most of you, nearly all of you, were not just in the indexes. Many of you were trading high PE ratio, high growth stocks, and you took significant losses. Maybe your account balance is down 25%, 50%, 75%. And I know, I've been there. I blew up my account twice. Once in 2001 to 2002 when I had no clue what I was doing. I lost nearly all of my money in the stock market. Fortunately, I didn't have much to lose. Then again in 2008 when the banks crashed, I went to cash and then I went back in too soon and I didn't use stop losses. And I lost most of it again. So I know how you feel. The pain is very, very real. You're angry. You're shocked. You're in disbelief. You open up your account. You cannot believe that that money that was in there is gone now. And you probably have a lot of self-loathing, a lot of anger at yourself. And maybe you're starting to feel like you should quit trading, that you can't do it, or the market is rigged, or any of those thoughts. So now I'm going to talk logistically about what to do for just a minute, and then we're going to finish this thought exercise. So logistically, if you are sitting on some stocks that are down 75, 90%, something like that, a few days ago when the market did its huge reversal on the invasion news, many of those charts printed huge bullish engulfing days, and you might decide that that is your line in the sand. And if they undercut those lows, then you really should consider selling them. One, because if that's not the bottom, then they may well be going to zero, especially if they're carrying a lot of debt and losing money each quarter. And two, it's a psychological anchor that's weighing you down. One of the best things I did in 2008 was selling some of the stocks that I was holding at a big loss. Not having those in my account anymore was a spectacular, gave me a spectacular mental boost. That negative energy was gone. Previously, every time I opened my account, I saw those stocks with those huge red percentage losses next to them, and it was almost impossible to have any confidence in my trading. So logistically, that's something you want to think about, getting rid of those stocks that you're carrying huge percentage losses on, or maybe cutting them by a third or a half. That's beyond the scope of this. Beyond the scope of this video, we'd have to look at the charts technically and so forth. But think about that. Now, here's what you do psychologically. If the browser to your account is open, close it. Now open it again. Look at the balance. Tell yourself, this is how much money that I have to invest. I'm going to add to it each month. I'm going to keep improving. I'm going to keep reading investing books. I'm going to keep watching YouTube videos of investment YouTubers that I believe in. And I'm going to grow this account to $1 million. Thousands of other people have done it, and I can do it too. I'm going to stay disciplined. I believe in my abilities. I believe in myself.